Hello and welcome. Hold on. Sorry, there's a lot of frustration. This past craft season stunk. I didn't do very well at most of my shows. I did well at one of them, but all the others I totally tanked at. And it just kind of bums me out. So if you don't know me by now, I do woodworking, crafting on the side, try to make some extra money at it. And unfortunately, this fall, it didn't happen. I was supposed to go and do a craft show in December, but that was an outdoor event and they canceled it because of the weather. Maryland weather is too unpredictable, so they just canceled it. So anyway, but let me try to get excited here because I'm bummed out about how I did at the craft shows. The good news is I get to get into the wood shop and I get to make things, and that's awesome and that's fun. So one of the things I'm working on is the electrifying of wood, where you put a lot of current through it, you electrify it, and you get these fractal burns and put resin in it and sand it and plane it down. So sorry, I'm really excited about this stuff. This is something I can't get enough of this board. It's like so cool. So anyway, resin. That's the topic of discussion for now. I'm really looking forward to working with resin, doing some hybrid blanks of bottle stoppers and pens. If you don't know what hybrid is, that's where you mix wood and resin. You stabilize the wood, put it with the resin, and then you turn it into a pen or a bottle stopper. It makes a really cool effect. Um, so I'm excited about that stuff. I get to get out into the wood shop, get to make some things, and electrocute some electrocute some wood. So that's just, I don't know, it's just really cool. So sorry I was bummed out in the beginning of the video. I'm just really bummed at how bad I did at the craft shows. So but the good news is I'm out in the shop. Sorry to be redundant, but it's just really exciting stuff for me. So that's it. Thanks for watching and thanks for sticking around. Please hit the like and the subscribe button, and I will see you next time. How do I turn this thing off?